Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a defensive driving course certificate to GEICO. So the first step is, of course, you have to make sure your course is approved for a defensive driving discount by GEICO in your state. Of course, you have to finish the defensive driving course and obtain your certificate of completion. And in submitting your certificate in GEICO, in some states, the course provider automatically reports your completion to GEICO, so you don't need to upload it yourself. Here in your screen, we're currently at safemotorist.com that offers this Georgia defensive driving class for GEICO insurance discounts. And part of the benefits for this course is completion reported to GEICO automatically. So courses like this sends your completion certificate to GEICO automatically so you don't have to do it yourself. Now make sure that you look for courses like this and offers this feature and start enrolling to its course. So from here, we can just click on the Enroll Now button. So just fill in all the details about customer information and basically finish the registration to this course. Make sure that you finish the course, and once the certificate is sent to GEICO and it's been processed, GEICO will then automatically apply the discount to your policy where eligible. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!